Hi friends, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra and I feel that it's my responsibility to let you know that as we near the mid-exams, what should be your approach and how is the fight going to be? So, what has changed? The exams are delayed by a month. Our local areas are in crisis. Our city is in crisis. Our nation is in crisis. Our world is in crisis. This crisis has equated everything together. There is no separating line between the different stratas of society, the economic, the social. But just like any other crisis, this crisis has also shown us one thing, that the basic in human life is family and essential items. As doctors, we have been at the receiving end. Many a time the disease, many a time the administration, and unfortunately the society. Even after that, in spite of that, you will have to show up tomorrow to write the exams and perform. Now this is what happens to so many people. Right now the world is in uniform crisis. But then who will survive it? Physically strong? Mentally more able? Or mentally tough? I think the last one is the most important attribute that one should have. If you are tough here, you can handle any crisis. That reminds me of one beautiful song written by Shri Rabindranath Tagore. Tum ekla chalo re. And this is what it says. I was listening to it yesterday in the car and this is what I realized. जब काली घटा छाए, दुनिया में प्रलय आए, तुम ज्वाला बनके शाइन करो और सबको उजाला दो. So when the world is in crisis, it is you who have to light from inside and illuminate yourself and people around you. This is the time that you have to become your own hero. Stop looking at others. Stop idolizing people. Be your own hero and show up. Rise to the occasion. Why don't we remember those stories which I shared way back in January of a 10th class student who lost her brother, who lost her father a night prior to her 10th class board English exam, in which she scored 94 marks in English, more than 92% of aggregate, and she aims to be a doctor who could save life. Trust me, she would be one of the leading clinicians not only of my nation but the entire world, and humanity will be proud of. Isn't she an example that your resistance inside has to be more than the force from outside? I know that we have been stuck by Corona. I know we are down, but trust me, we can never be out. And many people who have fallen from climbing Mount Everest have been standing in front of it and said, I will come back the next time and I'll come back stronger, because as a mountain you cannot grow, but as a human being I can. And this is what you need to realize. Have the power inside. Keep going in these last 10 days. We are all with you as teachers, as doctors, and write your exams. More importantly, remember, when everybody is discussing about other things, there are few who are studying right now, even when I am wasting your time in this video. Are you the one who is on the books, or are you the one who is unfortunately on the Facebooks? Decide yourself, because I as a teacher will be happy even if you don't see this video, but your name is in the list when the results show up. This is Dr. Apoor Mehra. Let's fight, let's achieve. Thank you very much.